Nasdaq owned the IPO market in 2014, and expectations are for another strong 2015. But Jay, it's more than just your listed companies. It's for your member firms as well. Tell us about IPO Indicator and how it's going to make it more robust.
Right, absolutely. Well, first off, nice chatting with you.
Of course.
Really what we do is we truly look to partner with all these broker-dealers out there on the street, bringing them tools that's going to provide additional insight, additional transparency into the overall mechanism of our IPO cross. So recently, actually this week on Monday, we launched a third piece of our puzzle, which is called the IPO Indicator tool, which will ultimately allow all member firms the ability to see, once they route order flow into that cross, where do they stand? Are they going to get a full execution? Are they going to get a partial execution? Or are they going to get shut out? So bringing that insight to the overall mechanism is going to give everybody across the street just a better idea of where they're going to stand.
So does it help in terms of allocation or a more accurate vision of how it's going to price? Because sometimes you'll see stocks priced at 21 and open up at 40, 45. Will that help?
Well, I think basically embedded in the IPO Indicator tool is what's called our Noii Data. That's our Net Order Imbalance Indicator tool, which will give you the current reference price. The paired shares, we truly try to maximize the buyers and sellers to bring everybody together. We also publish if there's additional stock to buy or sell at that reference point. But now what's taking place is that once you enter all your order flow and you route them to Nasdaq, you're going to be able to actually see where do you sit in the queue. So I think it's invaluable as far as the transparency spot part of the piece, where you as that member firm can then in turn update your clients better with a lot more information, a lot more data flowing through your hands.
And finally, you're seeing some nice traction with your member firms picking up the product. What are your thoughts on the overall market for 2015? Do you expect it to really be as strong as 2014 for IPOs?
Well, I mean, I surely hope so. What I can tell you, we're off to a great start. You know, for the month of January, we had 11 IPOs. This week in turn, we should probably see anywhere between 7 and 8 deals come to market. And from the pipeline, as far as the filings that we can truly comment on, it's pretty robust. So again, I think you take into account the overall global economy. People still do look to the U.S. as that main hub for capital raising across the board. And if there's no geopolitical collapse, let's just say, or war, or breakout, whatever it is, but if we stay truly where we are, kind of go side to side, I would expect a strong 2015.
Okay, thanks, Terry. We really appreciate the insight.
Very nice speaking with you.
From the Nasdaq Market site in the heart of Times Square, I'm Jill Malandrino for The Street.